Today, the 22nd June 2021, 3 oxygen generation plants were inaugurated at Tura Civil Hospital by the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. This was funded by the United Nations Development Programme India. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said, "The inauguration of the oxygen plants is to ease the citizens' sufferings, especially in a time like this when the whole state is trying its best to combat the spread of COVID-19. He expressed his sincere gratitude to the United Nations and the Development Programme India and the Japanese Consulate in India, which played an important role for the implementation of this project.
Very important program that we're having today. I would like to, first of all, thank His Excellency. It is really wonderful to see you again. We had met in a very close dinner about 6 months or about 1 year back. I don't recall exactly the date, but it is definitely very nice to see you again, though not face to face, but online. And especially on a day like this when we are launching and inaugurating this oxygen generation plant. At the very outset, I would like to really thank the UNDP and the people of Japan, the government of Japan, for having contributed to this crisis management that we're doing, enabling the state of Meghalaya to fight this COVID situation in a much more stronger way. As was mentioned by His Excellency, the relationship with Japan and India has been growing from strength to strength. In many occasions, our Honorable Prime Ministers have expressed the desire for the two nations to always work together, and many areas of collaboration are taking place even today. Whether it's agriculture, whether it's tourism, especially in the area of infrastructure, road development, and also now we are seeing manpower also from the Northeast being sent to different parts of Japan. Just recently, I had a meeting with some skill providers who are looking at training some of our nurses, teaching them Japanese and being sent to Japan for healthcare work. So therefore, this relationship is something which we have seen has always been strong, and in situations and difficult times like these, when we face crisis, the true nature of our relationship comes out. And when we face difficult times like these, we know who our true friends are. In difficult times like these, we find innovative ways to help each other. So therefore, this particular situation and this particular help that has come from the UNDP and from the people of Japan only confirms and strengthens the relationship of Japan and India. And I'm sure that these relationships will go on in the future, and we will see more such collaborations and more work that we will do together to help each other and to build up the bond that we have.
Thank you very much.